Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, GATE 2008 question, it is NP type question, and this question is very important and it is little bit tricky, okay, because many of students ask me this question whenever I teach in class, so that's why I am taking this question. So give attention here. So it is saying that given a language L, define Li as follows. So they are saying that you assume that L is a language, then they are defining Li, means L to the power something. So they are assuming I, so you can assume L1, L2, L3 like this. Now, if L to the power 0, then it is epsilon. So L to the power 0 containing only epsilon. Okay, means a language containing one string whose length is 0. It is not an empty language. Okay, it is a language which is containing one string whose length is null, that is 0. Now Li is equal to L to the power I is equal to L to the I minus 1 dot L, means if L0 they have given. Now if you want to find L1, then what you will do? You will go L1 minus 1 then L. L is the language, so it will be L0 dot L like this. So if you require L2, then you will go L2, then 1, 2 minus 1, 1, then L. So that is going to give you L2. Okay. For all I greater than 0. Okay. Means for 1, 2, 3. When it is 0, then only epsilon. Now they are saying the order of a language L is defined as the smallest k such that Lk equal to Lk plus 1. Means they are saying that they are defining. It is not in your gate that order is something in your syllabus. No. They are saying some term order and they are defining the order. The order of a language L is defined as the smallest k, such that Lk equal to Lk plus 1, means for a language the order is going to, if you are having L1 and if it is equal to L2, then this number is the order of the language. See, Lk equal to Lk plus 1 means this is k, then it is 1 plus 1, then 1 is the order. Okay, so for another language like L2, if you are having L2 and L2 is equal to L3, then order is your 2. So for a given language, the order of a language defined the smallest k. For the smallest k, okay, means there can be that L2 can be equal to L3, L3 can be equal to L4, L4 can be equal to L5, but that should be smallest. So we will take 2. Is defined the smallest k such that Lk equal to Lk plus 1. Now they are saying that consider the language L1 over the alphabet. See, these things till now they have only defined what is Li, what is order. Now they are coming to a language, consider the language L1 over the alphabet 0. So this for L1 the sigma is only containing 0 accepted by the following automaton. So this automaton is accepting the language L1. Now they are saying that the order of L1 is, now they are asking the order of L1. This L1 is the language which is accepted by this automaton. So by seeing this automaton, first we have to find the language that is accepted by this automaton, and the language is going to be L1. Then for L1 we have to find the order of L1. Now we will try to find L1. Okay, so the language accepted by this automaton is L1. So L1 is containing, now see what are the string that is accepted by this automaton. It is accepting epsilon. Why? Because initial state is final state. It is accepting 0, then 1 0, then 2 0, 0 0 0, 3 0. So after getting 1 0, then 2 0, again getting 0, then 4 0. See, 1 0, then 1 2 3, then 4 5. See, so after this 0 you are getting a repetition of 2 zeros. See, 0, then 6 zeros, 0, then 8 zeros, like this. So we are having a regular expression that I will teach you later. For now, just you know that if you are having A and if you do a star, it means it is containing epsilon, means it is a repetition, just like sigma star. Similarly, A star means it will contain epsilon, then single A, then A2, A3, A4. So whatever will be inside, if I put a star, it will get repeated, including epsilon. Like if I do AB star, then it will generate epsilon, then AB, then again AB, AB, then again AB, AB. So whatever number of repetition we want of that, we will get here. Okay. See, AB is there, AB, 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 like it will get repeated. So A star, and it will even contain epsilon. Okay. Now we will see for this language. So if you see here, it is containing epsilon 0, then 2 0, 4 0, then after 1 0, it is having the repetition of 2 zeros. So it is containing epsilon, then or, means plus means or, it is either containing epsilon or 0, then 0 0 star. Why? See, this is a regular expression. I am writing in terms of regular expression that I will teach you. Okay, but for this language you require little bit knowledge of regular expression. Now this L1 is having epsilon, and it is even having, so that's why I am writing as a plus. It is having 0. So when 0 0 star will generate epsilon, you will get 0. See how epsilon, it is having epsilon. See, plus means either it is containing this or this. So epsilon there, then for this it is containing 0. When 0 0 star will generate only epsilon, then 0, then 2 0, 3 0, then from this 4 0, like this. So this is the represent 6 zeros. So this is the, for this language, this is the representation. Either you generate this or generate. So this is belongs to this language, or if you generate this, from this you will get 0, then 3 0, then 4, 5 0, then 6 0. If you see here 7 zeros, okay. If you see here, it is generating odd number of zeros. See, 0 0 star is generating odd number, 1 0, 3 0, 5, 4 plus 1, then 6 7, then you will get 9. See, it is generating odd number of zeros. Okay. Now if you see this, now we need to find the order. We find out what is the language accepted by this. Now we need to find the order of this L1. For this L1 they are asking. So we need to find for L1 1. So we know that L1 is this language. L1 1 is saying that, see, L0 for Li, if it is Li, in the order they have defined only. If Li is there, then it will go Li minus 1, then L. So it will go 1 minus 1 0, then L1. See, for L1 we are finding the language. That's why here I am writing L1. There they have given for L. Okay. Now L1 0, what is L1 0? For every language 0, it will contain epsilon. They have already given. So it is containing epsilon. And then L1, it is containing this epsilon plus 0 0 star. Now you know that whenever you do concatenation with epsilon, you are going to get same thing. So epsilon dot epsilon, you will get epsilon only. Epsilon dot epsilon, you will get epsilon dot this. Concatenate epsilon with this, you will get this only, 0 0. So you are getting the same language, L1 only. Okay. So L1 to the power 1, you are going to get L1 only. So now we need to find L1 2. Okay. Why? Because if L1, we need to find the power order. So L1, we have seen that power here is saying that if Lk equal to Lk plus 1, say in the question they are given. Okay, if Lk equal to Lk plus 1, then k is the power. Okay, so for 1 we have seen, so L1 1 is your this, but L0 is your epsilon. L1 0 is your epsilon. So L1 is not equal to, L1 1 is not equal to this. So we will again go and find L1 2. Okay. Because it is saying if Lk equal to Lk plus 1, Lk is 0, L1 0 is not equal to. So we will again go further and we will check whether L2 is equal to L3 or L2 is equal to L1. Okay, like this we will keep on going till we find the order. Now we will find L2. So we have seen that L1 is your epsilon plus 0, then 00 star. L1 1 also we got same L1 only. Now we will find L1 2. L1 2. So L1 2 is saying that L1 then 2 minus 1 is your 1, then L. So L1 1 is your this epsilon plus 0. This should be your L. So this should be your L1 here. 0 0 whole star. Because here for L I am finding a. So that's why it should be L1 only. Now Now your L1 is this epsilon plus 0, 0, 0 star. So now do the concatenation. Epsilon dot epsilon, you got epsilon. Then epsilon dot this, you will get same only. This one 0, 0. So you know that this is generating odd number of zeros. Then these two we need to concatenate 0, then 0, 0 star, then 0, then 0, 0 star. See, I am doing the concatenation. This, first this, then again. Now see, this and this, from this we can generate epsilon. This, epsilon and epsilon. So the smallest string you are getting here is 2, 0. Smallest string you are getting here 2, 0. Now from here again you can generate 2, 0, or from here. If from this I will generate epsilon, and from here 2, 0, then this 2, 0 and this 2, 0, it's 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. So you will get 4, 0. How? From this 0, 0 star I am generating epsilon, and from this 0, 0 star I am generating 2, 0, then 4. Again if I will generate epsilon from here, then again 4, because it will generate as an even number. See, 2, 4, 6 like this. Now 0, 4, then you will get 2, 0 here, then you will get 0, 6. Similarly, when it will generate 0, 6, then 2, 0, then you will get 0, 8. Like this, if you see, it is generating even number of zeros. Smallest 2, 0, then 4, 0, 6, 0. If you will from here also, if you will generate anything 0, 2. So even plus even is always going to give you even. So if there also you are going to get 0, 6 plus 0, 2, you are going to get 0, 8. So if you see here, it is generating even number of zeros. Okay, even number of zeros, but not including epsilon, because the smallest string you will get 2, 0. So it is generating odd number of 1, 3, 5. It is generating even 2, 4, 6, and it is containing epsilon. It means epsilon you are able to generate 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 zeros. Means it is generating all number of zeros. So for this we know that how to represent any number of zeros. It is your 0 star, because it is generating epsilon, it is generating odd number of zeros, it is generating even number of zeros. So it is generating everything. Okay, 0 star. So for L1 2 we got 0 star. Now L1 1 equal to L1 1 plus 1. See, Lk equal to k plus 1. So this is your k, I am assuming. Then L1 2, here you are getting 0 star, here you are getting epsilon plus 0, 0 star. It is not equal. L1 1 is not equal to L2. L1 2. So 1 is not the order. For smallest k they are finding. So L1 1 is not the order of this L1, because L1 1 is not equal to L1 2. Okay, so again we need to find for L1 3. L1 3. So L1 3, saying that it will go L1 2, then L1. So L1 2 is your 0 star, and L1 is your epsilon plus 0, then 0, 0 star. So you know that 0 star into epsilon, you will get 0 star only. And if you see here, it is containing 0 star is containing any number of zeros. Then 0 star plus this you will again do whatever we will get, but it is already containing any number of zeros. Okay, it is already containing any number of zeros. So you are going to get L1 3 as any number of zeros, because this is containing the superset. All number of zeros are there, whether it is generating even or we don't care. From these 0 star dot epsilon we got that it is containing all zeros. Then fine, no need to check there. Now check whether L2 is now order of this L1 or not, because 2 is order or not, we need to check. So L1 2, whether it is equal to L3. So L1 2 plus 1, this number is your k. See, this is the thing where student did mistake. The smallest k, this is the k. Okay, so L1 2 is your 0 star, and this is your L1 3 is also is your 0 star. So 2 is the order. Okay, so order of L1 is 2, because L2 is equal to L3. So 2 is this is the k. This is not the k. It is k plus 1. See, is it? So don't get confused. This type of question they will ask so that you get confused. It is little bit tricky. But if you go step by step, you will get the answer. So this is going to contain 2 marks and it is NET. So NET questions, it's my suggestion, always attend it, whether you know the answer or not, because there is no negative marking. Okay. If you don't know, you can write any of the number